G'day, this is Jason here from Forex and Forex UTurn, and today is September 16th, 2011, and it's real chilly out here in Canada. Looks like the season is about to change. Alrighty then. Okay, so we're looking at the Euro USD 5-minute time frame. Here we have 10 o'clock GMT. And anyway, had an interesting day here today. What goes up must come down, eh? It shot up like a rocket yesterday and then came right back down again. So anyway, the setup to go short was right here at about 9:15, okay, which was around quarter after 2 a.m. We look for trades right here. So by that time, it was just rocking and rolling all the way down, as you can see. And anyway, never gave you no opportunities into the trigger line to sell it. So it really sucked. So if you got short earlier, well, you had a good opportunity to make a total of 80 pips to the bottom with 25 pip stop. Okay, so then after that, it just chopped sideways, came back down. They came down, got the stops here. Forever who was going long in here, they come down right here real quickly in the U.S. just before the U.S. session opened. Or actually, when the U.S. session opened, I think. Yeah, 15. Yeah, that is 5 after 8. She clipped down there to get all the stops. And then they took her up here to get all the people who were going short down here, and their stops were here. They came and took it back up here and got your stops. Isn't it a dirty game we play here? It is, ladies and gentlemen. I tell you, I tell you. Okay. So anyway, there was not. I do not think there was a setup here. It was too close to support. Yeah, it's only 18 pips here to support, so there was no trade set up here whatsoever. There was no trade set up here also because the filter was still red. At this particular time, okay, trading's over right here at 11 o'clock as far as I'm concerned, 11, 12 o'clock. Even though a lot of days now, late in the afternoon, it moves and does crazy erratic things, but we're done, okay, as far as PipSnager is concerned. We're done at 11, 11:30 max. Okay. So anyway, so it was not a good day other than in the UK, and she dropped down quickly. And maybe you got a sell trade in here or something, but that's about it. Okay, so let's move on now to the 1 minute time frame, and we'll go to the hourly. We'll move that hourly line over to 9 o'clock. There we go. Back to the 1 minute, take off auto scroll, and let's go back in time. Okay, here we are. So here is 9 o'clock GMT right there. Okay, it already started coming down. See? Here, let's go back here. There we go. Now it looks like the way it looked at that time. As the charts do squish and squish together and unsquish together. Really crazy stuff, these MetaTrader charts. Anyway, the trade to go short would have been here. So from there to there, it was only 6 pips anyway. See, there's no trade here either, even before the fact. So anyway, let's look for our trade. Oh, here it is. Here it is. Right here, okay? We broke through support right here, didn't we? We did. So that gave us the indication that, hey, we're going to take it down. It bounced off there. Kind of looked like it was going to go back up, but it didn't. Then it gradually boom, 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 sold right off. So you would have got your 10 pips right here, okay? Which was at around 9:41, which is 2:41 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay. And that's the one trade there, and I don't think there's any other trades. Hold on here. No, this one here would have been right at 11:04, which we stopped trading at that point in time for scalping. But it was a winner as well. There was 13 pips to the bottom. You would have got in, boom, boom, and down real quick. Excuse me. You would have got your 10 pips quite fast within 2 minutes right here if you would have done that trade. Just a little bit past our window of opportunity. Okay, let's take this line off. No, 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 no. Here we go. No, don't stop that. There we go. Holy cheese Louise. Okay, so we'll put the auto scroll back on. We're going to head on over to the Great British Pound. Okay, here's 10 o'clock GMT right here. Filter was red. Basically the first selling opportunity was right here. Second one was right there, right at 10 o'clock. So if you did sell, let's move the line here. Yeah, see, it came right up to the trigger. If you would have sold right here, down she goes. And your stop would have been 30, 35 pips. Total to the bottom was only 43 before she did a U-turn and went up the other way. Okay, so then it didn't really catch on with the filter till up here. So there was no trade here. It was black in the filter. And then here, same thing. There was no trade here either. It was black in the filter. Now here, what time was this at? This is at 10:11. This is like 10 minutes before our trading day ends. But anyway, no, hold on. 16. No, that's around 10 o'clock, I think. Yeah, it's around 10 o'clock. Yeah. So you would have bought your first dip right here. Up she goes. You would have got a few pips out of it, I guess. And that's it for the pound. Holy jeez, I'm yawning now. I got lots of sleep. Okay. Maybe it's because me talking to myself here in this crazy video. All right, here we go. Next one. Okay, let's look at the Swissy here. Here is 10 o'clock. It gave you the buy signal right here, which was just before 10 o'clock, and up she went. Then she went sideways, and up she went. Yeah, and no, there was no selling here. Was there a buy here? Let's see. No, there was no buy here. There was too close to resistance. Excuse me, I can't stop yawning. What's going on? And over here, there was no trade as well. It was bouncing off of resistance. So the only thing you could have done here today on the Swissy was buy some dips in here. And that's pretty much it. Okay, so now let's move on to the Forex UTurn signals. Here we go. G'day, g'day, g'day. Here we go. Okay, so here's the Euro USD. Here's a perfect M right at that top. Okay, so it got you in early in the Asia session. The filter did not match up at the time. Okay, so it was for aggressive, high risk Forex U-turn traders. Okay, and it went down here. So if you would have got in, you got the opportunity to make around 80, 90 pips. And that's it for the euro. And let's look at the pound quickly. Oh, the pound was a mess. Yes, a mess. Gave you the W, gave the M, gave the W, gave the M. Yeah, once you see this, you just walk away from it. If you get burned on one trade, so say you've seen this W here at this point in time, okay? It was like 2 o'clock in the morning and you got long. You put your stop there and right away came down and they got your stop, okay? So what you would have done is once you see that, then you see the opposite signal, you just leave it alone. It's like, it's just chopping up and down. And sure enough, that's what it did. So you don't want to keep losing for nothing. So as my rule states inside the manual, once you see this happening, okay, you wait for it to break out up 100, 150 pips, then you look for the opposite signal up at the top, or if it breaks out, goes down 150 pips, then you look for the opposite signal to buy. Okay, that's what you do in a situation when it chops like this. You try and leave it alone after you get burned once, because sure enough, you'll keep on getting your fingers burned. Just like we tell our little toddlers, ta-ta, don't touch, hot, 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 shh, gonna burn you, baby, shh. Okay, I'm trying to be stupid funny here on a Friday. Okay, that's it for the signals today. Have a wonderful weekend all over the world. I just want to say thanks again to all the people who keep saying thank you on YouTube for me doing this for them. I really appreciate it right from the bottom of my heart that you appreciate me trying to do my best and help all of you succeed in this very, very difficult endeavor. You have a wonderful weekend. We'll talk to you Monday. Bye.